morning, dear students. Welcome back once again in the online classes. I, Ishita Sharma, your science teacher, is here again with the new chapter, with the new topic. But before we start our class, let me remind you the basic thing. That is, you have to like this video as well. And please subscribe the channel if you haven't yet to get the further update. And yes, write down your name and section in the comment box for the attendance purpose. Quickly do that. Let's start with today's class. But before we start our chapter number 4, let's discuss something about chapter number 3. Students, we have done our chapter number 3, that is Animal Kingdom. And then I sent the work in the PDF form which you can get through the school website. I hope you have seen that, and I hope you all have done the work in the FAIR notebook. In the past few days, beta, I noticed that some students send their FAIR notebook work on the very same day or after one day. This is really nice, beta. Keep this spirit on. Do your work timely and send your work timely. Those who haven't sent me yet, please send your work timely. Okay. Okay, so now let's start with chapter number 4, that is animal habitats. But before we start this chapter, let me ask a question. You have to think very carefully and then give me the answer. Students, we can easily find a dog, a cat near our home, but we cannot find a penguin. Can you tell me why? We can find a fish in the aquarium, but it is very hard to find a shark. It is very hard to find a dolphin. Can you tell me why? Why this happens? Why only some animals present near our homes? Why can't we find all the species of all the animals? Well, students, that happens because of the habitats. Yes. Plants and animals can survive in their habitats only. Now, what does this term habitat means? I hope you all are familiar with this term habitat, because in chapter number 2 and in chapter number 3 we discussed about this term habitat. Now quickly write down the definition of habitat in the comment box, because I know you all know this. Well, habitat is a place where plants and animals live. Okay beta, it is the natural surrounding, it is the natural home of plants and animals. That is why we are having several varieties of animals, but only few can be found in some areas. Okay, that is why students, we can find dog or a cat near our home, but we cannot find a penguin or a camel. Why? Because they survive in different habitats. Camel lives in hot desert, right? While penguin lives in cold area near the poles. Okay, so they are surviving in different habitats. Students, on the basis of habitats, on the basis of living areas, animals are divided into few categories. And in this chapter, that is chapter number 4, animal habitats, we will be discussing about such categories. Okay, like in chapter number 2, we done about plants. On the basis of living area, plants were categorized into different categories like terrestrial plant, aquatic plant, right? Now, in the same manner, animals are also divided on the basis of their living area. And in this chapter, we will be discussing about the same.
Let's learn about animal habitats with examples. Beta, which place can you find a cow? I think everybody can answer this question. We can easily find them eating grasses near fields and farms. For sure, not on trees. That is basically land, right? And where you can find a fish? Definitely not on road, but in water. So we see animals live in different places. Some live on land like cow, some live in water like fish, some on trees like monkeys, and some can fly.
So students, on the basis of living areas, animals are divided into 4 major groups. The very first is aquatic animals. Second one, terrestrial animals. Terrestrial animals are again divided into two groups. The first one is desert animals and second one is polar region. Desert animals, animals that are found in desert area, and polar region means animals that are found near the poles, okay, in the cold area. Third category is arboreal animal and fourth one is aerial animals. So students, now in upcoming videos we will learn each one of them in brief. Okay, so students, chapter number 4, animal habitats. On the very first page, one activity is there. Let's begin. Look at the pictures. Think and write the places like jungle, trees, sea, polar region, desert, beaches where you can find these animals. So you have to look carefully the picture of the animal, okay, and then you have to write in the box in which place you can find this animal. For example, monkey. Where can you find monkey? Yes, we can find monkey on trees, right? In the same manner, you have to fill for rest of the animals. This is your homework. Okay, do your homework, beta. Now we will meet in next video. Till then, keep learning. Bye.